Hey guys, ever have the hiccups? Well, today I had them at work. Hi, welcome to Wonton John's Seed Palace. Hey, what's up? Yeah, could I get a strawberry banana smoothie? Alright, coming right up. That's gonna be $3.95. Thanks, man. Yeah, I heard Tabasco sauce cures hiccups, man. I'm allergic to Tabasco sauce. Talk to you later, bye. For some reason, I can never get them to stop. They just last forever for me. Do you guys know any secret remedies or old wives' tales? So anyway, I'm going to be moving in 3 days. I'm moving with my aunt, I don't know what you guys call it, in the region where you guys reside. Yeah, I'm going to be moving to Long Beach for 1 month. So I'm going to be vlogging my experience there. Hopefully I could catch some cool stuff on film and visit some cool sightseeing stuff. And I'm going to bring you guys along, so be sure to subscribe so you can tag along. While going through all my stuff, like packing, I found an old iPod. I guess like something's wrong with it internally. So the only way that it works if it's plugged into a power supply. There it is. Old school status. My iPod that I currently have. Yeah, don't make fun of me, it's a pretty crappy color right now. Oh look, you can see my flip cam. It was kind of like traveling back in time. Speaking about time travel, I recently watched Time Cop. It's freaking awesome. Another good movie I watched was 1 Hour Photo with freaking Robin Williams. He plays like the psycho photo guy. I'll put the link down there so you guys check it out. Definitely rent it, and if you don't like thrillers, don't watch it. Also, another movie I'm checking out is Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. I haven't checked it out yet. I got this at my local video store, so I'm gonna watch that tonight. Hopefully it's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, I think that's all I got for this video. The comment question of the day is, if you could travel anywhere in the entire world for 1 week, where would you go and why? Again, all my links are in the description. Please subscribe. My name is Mike, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Why do I keep putting thumbs up? I don't know. Alright, yeah, thumbs this video up. That's why I'm doing it, obviously. Alright, see you guys later.